Hello, cryptocurrency enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of digital coins to explore 7 of the most effective cryptocurrency investment strategies. 1. Hodling. One of the most popular and effective strategies is holding your digital assets for a long time. This lets you benefit from price increases over time without worrying about short-term volatility. 2. Dollar cost averaging DCA, a strategy that involves purchasing a set amount of cryptocurrency at fixed intervals, like weekly or monthly, can help you avoid market fluctuations and spread your risk across multiple purchases. 3. Trading. Buying low and selling high is a simple but effective strategy in any market, especially crypto. With 24/7 markets and high volatility, trading can be a lucrative strategy if done wisely. 4. Cryptocurrency lending. Earn interest on your cryptocurrency holdings by lending them out to borrowers on platforms like Celsius or BlockFi. This strategy offers passive income without selling your coins. 5. Staking. Holding onto your tokens can earn you passive income through staking or holding them in a wallet that pays interest for holding the tokens on hand for transactions or storage purposes within that network. 6. Airdrops and forks. Many projects offer free tokens or coin distributions to existing holders during an initial coin offering (ICO). Keep an eye out for these opportunities and claim your free coins. 7. Arbitrage. Take advantage of price differences across exchanges by buying low on one exchange and selling high on another. However, this strategy requires experience with arbitrage trades to manage risks such as slippage and other factors affecting execution prices when buying, selling between exchanges simultaneously or within minutes, seconds of each other due to volatility changes in asset prices between exchanges during arbitrage trades. Remember, always invest responsibly and do your research before jumping into any strategy. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips and insights.